simulan na natin ang ating kwentuhan.
Okay.
So, Sir James, sino ba ang isang J. Cabriol?
Oh, by the way, si James ay isang simpleng tao lang. So, I started my journey way back. I believe that's 2013. So, I'm almost 10 years. To be honest, I started as a dance coach. So, since I was a dance coach, so I'm creating costumes for my dancers. So, at doon nag-trigger yung gusto ko na talagang gumawa ng mga dress at saka mga gowns and even costumes lahat. So, doon nag-start yung journey ko. Then I study at Fashion Institute for just one, for basic dressmaking. So, doon nag-evolve yung James Cabriole.
Okay. So, bali, doon mo na kita yung fashion mo talaga sa pagde-design.
Yes. Doon ko lang na-start. Pero since I was young, I'm dressing up, if you know paper dolls.
Yes.
Doon nag-start lahat. Yes. Kasi noon yung paper dolls, so parang maraming damit na idadamit ko sa kanila. So doon nag-start pero hindi talaga nag-push during my college years. And just recently lang talaga na-push yung gusto.
Ilang years na ba ang J. Cabriol?
It's 10 years already. So,
10 years
yes.
na. So, ano yung mga naging challenges mo?
To be honest, there's a lot of challenges, especially if you're putting a business, especially in the fashion industry. Kasi I started at year 2000 na. So, there's a lot of great and sikat na designer na natin, like sina Michael Cinco, sina Michael Leyva, sina Mama Rini. So, sila na yung mga legacy in terms of fashion design. So, madami akong consider. Of course, I need to have a good tailor makers, yes. And then of course yung aking mga modista and then beaders, kasi that will be the start of a good business if you have a good staff. Yes. Then doon lahat. So it's really hard for me to get one, and then finally God is really good. I always believe on that kasi binigyan niya ako ng good employees, and yes. The rest is history. That's what I have right now,
because our employees is one of our assets. Exactly. Of our business.
So doon talaga magsisimula,
kasi hindi pwedeng ikaw lang yung gagawa ng mga design mo.
Tama po. Ako, I can create designs, but of course, I know how to sew also. Pero, meron pa rin talaga mas magagaling na sa stray at modista sa akin.
So, parang more on design ka, and then you have a partner na mga employees mo.
Yes.
Ilan na ba yung mga empleyado mo?
Actually, I have one tailor because that's for men's suit. It's really important kasi ang men's suit talaga is only for tailored. And then I have 3 modista, that's for girls, for the gowns. So, yun, 4. At least I have 4 already. I'm so happy for that. And
how long na sila nag-work sa'yo?
Actually, yung cousin kong pinakamatagal, it's almost 7 years. And then, the rest is 5 years na. Matagal na sila. So, talagang establish ko sa kanila yung, una-una, yung relationship namin as partners. I'm not just their boss, I am their partner. Yes. And I'm very willing to help them kung ano mga needs nila. So, doon nag-start na.
Then may mga na-experiences ka ba na parang mga bad experiences na ginawa sa'yo ng mga staff mo? May mga ganun?
Wala, they're really good. Actually,
wala kang na-experience?
Kasi when we started the business, I informed them that what I want is full honesty. If you will not be honest to me sa mga needs ninyo at saka hindi tayo mag-grow. Lahat ng bagay, magagawa natin ng paraan. Kasi if that is financial only, I can do something about it. So, kung talagang kailangan nila. Pero, hindi nila ako binitawan. Siguro because it's, we're really open to each other. Kasi yung pinakamahalaga.
Kailangan ng communication talaga.
Exactly.
Kasi kung hindi mo kinakausap yung mga empleyado mo, hindi mo malalaman yung mga struggles din.
Yes. Although, alam nila na ay masungit. But
so, strict si Sir James
sa work. Yeah, in terms of quality of the magiging outcome ng damit. Kasi una-una, I'm dealing with clients and some of them are high-end people. So, mga sana. So, to make our business strong at saka lalo siyang maging established is for us na nambabatay natin yung quality of products that we are releasing because isang pagkakamali, it will ruin your business. So, pero I'm just strict. Pero hindi naman, alam nila yon na I'm just like, because I need to get the deadlines, and then yung gusto ko yung smoothness ng pagkakagawa, it should be always okay. Kasi, ayoko nang pabalik-balik. Kasi it will parang mas
maraming trabaho
silang gagawin na hindi na dapat nila ginagawa. Instead of they're just enjoying with their family, so yun yung gano'n namin.
Okay.